Hey guys, how you doing? So we finally got the engine apart. These are the parts that came out of the engine. We got our our pistons here. We got our hydraulics lifters here, although they are not hydraulics. We got our timing chain here. We got our pulley here. We got our bearings. We got our crank. We got the top, the piston head. We got our rocker arms, or even our rocker shaft. We got our flywheel, our clutch plate, our distributor, our oil filter, our what do you call this? The main oil filter, our pulley, the starter, some couple of bolts, our main fold gasket, our pan, the pusher rods, the timing chain cover, the main fold, the what do you call? We got our petrol pump, we got our fan, couple of gasket, our tappet cover. So there's it. Then we got we have the block here. This is the block. So this is the inside of the block. So we have the bearings here. I'm not sure if you can see them, but then they are worn out. They need replacement. I think sometime in its life it had replacement, but then so I'll be replacing those bearings. Still waiting on some bearings, on some parts that I ordered, because you can't get parts on this engine at any space, so you have to order them. But then still waiting on them. So but now what we're going to do is to clean this up, clean this block up, and also clean some couple of parts here, clean the cylinder head, clean the pan, the timing chain cover, some couple of things that need cleaning up. The thing here, the bearings that I was talking about, they are so worn out. They need replacement. Also this one, I think all of them, even the other ones in here, this ones still look okay. I don't know why this one this ones are so worn out, but I think maybe sometimes in its life it went so it went for a long time without oil change. Maybe that's why it was. Maybe that's why it's like this. My piston is falling. So I had some other piston here that it was so rusted out. I wanted to show you guys. Let me put that like that. Come on. Let's put that there. I think the rings were rusted, so that's the reason why I took it out. This one is still the rings. Even the rings need replacement. I'm not sure which one is it. This one is not the one. Let's check this one. It's not this one. Now with this one. Yeah, but anyway, the rings were rusted, so just thought maybe I should also replace the rings so that the engine runs better, because it didn't have compression, but now I think it will have compression since we're changing the rings and all that stuff. But so far, I think we're going to win. The cylinder head it is still good, although this part here is leaking. I mean the valves are leaking, so you just have to maybe re-sleeve them or polish them, then they'll be good to go. I think it's just that the rust is on top, so just need to get rid of it. But this other ones here, they're still okay. So far, I think if we change the bearings, the beacons, the main bearings, and then the other bearings from that block, then we'll be good to go. So, and some other gaskets, like those gaskets over there, so yeah, and then this oil seal here. So I think we'll be good to go and put it back. Maybe try to polish, because I think we have some cup, don't know if they are visible, have lines here. Here, let me show you here. Yeah, I think there's some lines here, so we'll probably need to polish this crank if I'm not mistaken. But then the crank is still okay. I think we can work with it, because where you're gonna get this kind of crank, there are not too many of these engines left. This is a very old engine, but then what can I say? I like it. I would just like to rebuild it. So if you have not seen the inside of a J 1300 Datsun Nissan, this is it. This is all the parts that came out, plus that block over there. I showed you the block, the pistons. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come. We'll be doing this rebuild again. I'll clean these parts, all of them, and then probably paint some of them, and then put this engine back together, and then try to start it. And anyway, that's me in and out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.